Hello friends, welcome again on freeproject.com, and this is my new project patient information system, and I have developed this project in Python, and the version which I am using is Python version 2.7, and the for web development I am using the Django framework, and the Django version is 1.11. For database currently I am using the MySQL database, and the version of the MySQL is the 5.6. And for connecting the Python from the MySQL, I am using the connector which you will get easily on the mysql.org website. Okay, and for front end I am using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and many of the jQuery library. Just at for validations I am using the jQuery validate. Okay, so this is a mini project, and it's about the patient information system which contains only information about the patients. Okay, so this is a very basic and mini project, and you can learn that how can we develop web development in Python using the Django, and how can we integrate the template into the Python projects, and how can we make the connection from the MySQL from the Python. Then you can learn these things from this project. Also you will get the idea that how can we structure the project, and how can we chunks create the chunks of the template using the Python and the Django. How can we create the base template, and how can we create the child template using the Python and Django from this project. Okay, so let's start the functionality of this project. As you are seeing, this is the home page of the project, and this is a very simple project, and I'm not using any type of bootstrap theme. This is a very simple project, and it's a normal HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you want to change the designing, then you can just amend the CSS and HTML, and the design will be changed. For images part, just go and replace that image, and that image will also be changed. Okay, so this is the home page, and the project name is patient information system, and this is the about project. You can change the content of the about project also directly from the file. And this is the contact us page. I am not saving this contact data anywhere in the project. This is a totally static web page, and this is the admin login, and the database connection comes from here. Okay, so the user name is admin, and the password test. Once you click on the login, you will get the login inside the system, and you will be able to see the internal dashboard, which will only be visible and accessed by the admin. So there is a add patient where you will be able to add the new patient. Okay, so I am going to, okay, I will add the patient next. This is a patient report. So there are three patients. Okay, one more thing, this is the data grid where you will be able to set all the things on the runtime. And if you want to change, if you want to search the patient, then you can search it from here. Okay, so I am writing the Rahul, then you will get the record of the Rahul is coming. Okay, this is the runtime search. You can see how fast it is. It's very fast because it's happening on the client side. There is no database hits is going to hit the database. Okay, so this is happening on the client side. Okay, and if you get more than 50 records, or if you get more than 10 records, then pagination will be shown automatically, and you can jump on that page from previous or next. And also there will be page numbers there where you can jump directly on that page, and you will be able to see that how many entries are coming and how many entries are there in the database. Okay, so this is a very smart table, and you can perform this type of operations directly from this table. Okay, if you want to edit the things, then just click on the edit. You will be able to see the patient details, and if you click on the submit, then the patient details will be updated, and you will get the message patient record updated successfully. And if you click on the delete, then that record will be deleted permanently from the database, and you will not get that record reward record back, right? Okay, so I am going to add a patient. So what's the patient name is, suppose Anil Kumar, and select a doctor. So disease, test, test, and then mail, patient mobile, add some mobile number. And okay, this is the jQuery calendar. And then what is the city address and the pin code, and the descriptions, and the photo. Sorry, photo is not here, so I am uploading a photo. Okay, so submit. Okay, so you can see this record has been added into the database, and you can just, if you want to edit it, then you will be able to see, okay, this record is showing here in the database, and you can update the things here, right? so so if you can see, then the record has been updated in the database, right? If you want to delete the record, just click on the delete the record. So this is all about the patient information system. It contains only the information of the patient, and it's a very basic mini project for learning purpose only. And if you need more functionality as a mini project in this project, just put into the comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel freeproject.com for getting the latest video project video updates. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.